I'm here to make up for not showing you how to put the reflections on the windows in the previous Masks of Zorro tutorial. Therefore, we have this little epilogue, or this postscript on the first tutorial. Let us scrub back. Let's go back, till we can see Antonio Banderas sneaking behind our window panes. If you remember, cutting holes in this window right here, what we're going to do is put back the reflections but maintain the transparency. So we're going to leave these holes the way they are. And what I'm going to do here is duplicate this layer, this window layer, by hitting Command D. So we have a layer called Window 2, and then I'm going to hit MM on my keyboard with Window 2 selected. And that will bring up 6 masks. Let's see, I guess I didn't need to hit MM. What if I just hit M? I'll try that again. Just M. There we go. This is all I need, and then I can see more of them in my timeline. So if subtract mode on our masks cuts a clean hole through our layer, we need to actually do the opposite and only see the window panes. You might think that is counterintuitive considering what we went through to cut these holes, but rest assured this is going to work. So in our Window 2 layer on all of our masks, with all of our masks selected, mask 1 through 6, let's change it from subtract to add. And look, we just undid everything that we did before. But not really, because here's what we're going to do. I'm going to close that window up by hitting M again. I'm going to reveal opacity by hitting T, and I'm going to switch over from this column switches mode to track map mode and layer mode. A lot of modes. Window 2, instead of normal, should probably be something like add or screen. Let's try screen, and let's tweak the opacity down to, let's see, let's scrub to a point in time where we see Antonio Banderas. Yeah, we can clearly see him, and we can also see the reflection of this house in the distance. So I think that's pretty much all we need to do. An opacity of 70% on our duplicate layer, and having set our masks to the opposite mode of the original whole window pane hole layer, which the whole layer was subtract, this layer is add. We set the opacity to 70%, and we set the screen mode, sorry, the layer mode to screen. And that is all. We are now finally actually really done with Masks of Zorro. Adios, you guys. See you on the next tutorial.